How to fix PhonePay app not working in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open settings and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, as PhonePay app or Google Pay app does not work if you are not connected to a proper working internet. Next, go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for PhonePay, and make sure that the PhonePay app is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the app, as the app might not function properly if it is lagging updates. See if your issue is fixed yet or not, and if not, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Further, tap on offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. See if your issue is fixed yet or not, and if not, then you might need to uninstall the app. So go back to your home screen and tap hold on the PhonePay app, and then tap on the remove app option and then on delete app. Once deleted, reinstall the app from the App Store, and this will give the app a fresh restart, and your app should be working just fine by now. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix PhonePay not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.